So to make this key now, this type of key, you have to buy this here. So this here, I took apart it. You get it look like this. It's blank, but this is the original key here. So the old key, the original key, where did I put it? Put it here somewhere. Okay, where's the original key? Okay, the original key is here. I'm gonna take this part and put it in here, but first I gotta take this out of here. All right. So I got that there. I'm gonna drill out that there. Okay, so now that I finished drilling it out, it comes out like that, and I'm going to take this and line it up and cut it. So what I'm going to do here now, see, I got the hole lined up. I'm going to cut the edges off so that it will, I'm just using a regular hacksaw to do this. Okay, I just have to do a little adjustment there. So I got a file, now I'm doing a little fine tuning. So look at that, it fit perfectly, line up with the hole. That's good enough. And so now I'm gonna take the little screw that it comes with and screw that in there. Oh, silly me, I forgot. I have to flatten there so that the screw. So I got my bit now. This is the bit I'm going to use to flatten it. Oh, look at that. It's good inside of there now. It's flat. So now I got to put this back, and the way you do this is you put this inside of here like. Okay, so I got the key in, and my advice is to don't tighten it too tight, or else you'll get the spring all tangled up and then the spring become ruined. So it's good enough like that. So all you got to do now is put 2 screws in there, and then the chip that I cloned from the original key. There is a chip inside of this thing here, right? So I can open it up and show you the chip. Actually, I took the chip out of the other one, took that apart, and this is the chip here. So I cloned this chip and I put it on this chip, right? Well, I actually cloned this one because this one is bad, and I use this device here. I can't show you how to do it because I'm using my phone to record. What you do is you put this in here with the application, you scan it, you copy it, and then you take this chip, you put it in here, and then you press clone and you clone it, and that's it. It's ready. And there you have it. I have another one of these keys. And this one, and I got this one. Now I'm going to test this one. So it's really early in the morning now, and I'm just gonna test this real quick. Car stays on. It works. Test it again. Car stays on. It's good.